Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you the 5 reasons why men need morning exercise. Do you want to know the reason why men need morning exercise? Do you want to know the benefit of exercise? You are welcome. Make sure that you stick from the beginning of this video to the very end so that you get to know the reason why men need morning exercise. By the way, what is exercise? From my own definition, exercise is the ability of a man, or exercise is the ability of a living thing to move from one point to another continuously. That is exercise. That means when a body is moving in a to and fro points, that is oscillation continuously, it is called exercise. So in today's video, I am going to share with you 5 reasons why every man needs morning exercise. What are these 5 reasons? The 5 reasons are: number 1, fitness. When a man is doing exercise, that man must be fit. That man must be capable of doing any of his activities perfectly. He will stand firm, he will be powerful, he will be strong, and he will be very, very energized. That is fitness. And making exercise on daily basis will help a man to be fit. So I will recommend every man to be doing morning exercise, especially in the morning. As you wake up, go to your gym center, go to a place or a point where you are doing your exercise. Do your exercise. Maybe you start with those simple ones. Once you are doing your exercise continuously, as time goes on, you will get used to it, and it will help your body. And exercise helps in bodybuilding. So I recommend every man to do morning exercise. Number 2 is that exercise reduces stress. What do I mean by stress? Maybe you are heavy within yourself. You can't move yourself from one point to another. But with exercise, you can do it. With exercise, those heaviness or those inability to move will be reduced. Exercise will help you to change some behaviors or some characters that are making you not to move your body. With exercise, you can do some things that you have never done before, because you now gain fitness, and with fitness, you now gain the ability to move yourself from one point to another. So exercise is very good. I will recommend every man to do exercise on daily basis. Even if not on daily basis, do it twice or 3 times every week. It will help you, and it will help you to build up your body. Number 3 is that exercise can cause excitement. How do it sound? Yes, I am sure of what I am telling you. Exercise can create or lead to excitement. Maybe when you are feeling tired, you are feeling bored, you are feeling that, in fact, nothing is working for you. With exercise, you can forget the past. With exercise, you can forget your sorrows, your disappointment, failures. Exercise can help you to forget some certain things and makes you to be happy. Yes, exercise is very good, so I would recommend every man to do exercise so that you forget the past. You let go and put the bad behind. The more you do exercise, the more excitement you become. If you are doubting it, practice exercise and see that exercise is very powerful. So keep doing exercise for you to generate happiness within yourself and for you to be happy. So number 4 is that exercise helps to reprogram oneself. That is number 4 benefits of exercise, or number 4 reasons why you need morning exercise is reprogramming. What do I mean by reprogramming? You are welcome. Do you know that exercise will help you to gain fitness, right? It will also help you to gain, or it will also help you to reduce stress. It will also help you to be happy. All these 3 things for now can make you to be changed. All these 3 things can make you to be transformed. Yes, and that is the benefit of exercise. So for exercise to reprogram you, it means it has changed you. It can change you from one state to another. Exercise can help you to become the best you want because it will reprogram you. It will change your mindset, the level of thinking, the level of what you are doing. Some of them will change, and that's the benefit of exercise. So exercise is very good. I recommend every man to do morning exercise. The more you are doing exercise, the more fit you become, the more happiness you become, and the more it reduces stress within you. So that is that for exercise. Number 5 is that exercise help to remove bad fluids from the body. Example, heat. The more you are doing exercise, the more heat is coming out from your body. Those heat are part of bad fluid from your body. Those heat are bad fluids. Take it this way. Do you know that after the exercise, you must surely need water? Why do you need water? Because of those water that came out when you were doing exercise in form of heat. So you need water to replace them. And the more you take water, the more you become healthy. The more you take water, the more it goes to those water that went out as a heat to replace them. And the more you are doing it, the more you become revitalized. So exercise help to remove bad fluids from your body through excretion. Understand that the heat will just goes out as you are doing exercise. So all these benefits or all these reasons are the main thing why men need morning exercise. All these reasons are the reasons why men need morning exercise. But I want to give you a bonus. What is that bonus? Do you know that exercise is spiritual? Yes. What do I mean by spiritual? The mind that makes you to embark on exercise can also help you to become who you really want. It's not everybody that can get the mind to go and do exercise or morning exercise. No. So the more you develop the mindset to go and do exercise, that mind will also help you to start something good in your life. Yes, the mind that help you to go and do exercise will help you to terminate procrastination. Yes, for the fact that you have developed the mind of embarking or doing morning exercise, that same mind will help you to embark or to pursue your dream. So morning exercise is very spiritual. It will help you to end and terminate procrastination for you to become who you really want. So thank you for watching my video, and thank you for stopping by. Please, if you like this video, or you like it, or you find it helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload the next video. Share this video, share it to your friends, share it to your well-wishers, people that miss it, share it. But I will be happy and I will appreciate it if you do support this channel so that you become a member. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.